Today we're checking out these Raxiom Axial Series LED fender flare marker lights with smoked lenses for the 2021 and newer Sierra 2500 HD. If your stock side markers are looking dull, they have hot spots, or you just want a cleaner, modern look with brighter output and these smoked lenses, then this set is an easy plug and play upgrade that sharpens up your truck's style, so it's definitely worth checking out. The key feature here is going to start with bright red rear and amber front LEDs behind smoked polycarbonate lenses, so you get a crisp, even light without the blotchy hot spots you can see from the factory bulbs. These are built as a direct swap for those fender flare markers, and they're going to come as a full set of 4 for the front and rear, so everything matches from side to side and it's a full upgrade. Most folks switch to something like this for some simple reasons. They're plug and play with factory connectors, they're noticeably brighter for better visibility at day and night, and the smoked lenses give that subtle blacked out look without going too dark. You're going to keep your factory wiring to help that plug and play install process, and these are going to sit flush so it looks like factory once they're installed. When it comes to the construction on this, the housings are durable injection molded ABS to handle heat, cold, and the daily driving wear and tear. These smoked polycarbonate lenses are that tough polycarbonate material that resists cracking and fading over time, and they're not going to get hazy like those stock lights tend to do. The LED boards are sealed against moisture, and the connectors lock in just like OEM for a rattle-free fit that's going to last you the long haul. As far as the pricing goes on this, these are coming in right around that $100 price range for a full set of 4. For a complete direct fit LED set with smoked lenses and true plug and play installation process, that's a very solid value if you want more light and a cleaner look without any extra wiring. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 20 minutes or less of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, a T20 Torx bit, a small pry tool, and a body panel tool. Today we're going to be doing some fender marker lights on our Sierra, so let's get started. All right, so we're going to start by removing our factory front flare lights here. Now these ones you have a very easy access point to. You can actually come right into your engine bay and right behind your fender. This is all wide open down in here. These are held in by 2 T20 Torx screws on the back side. So we'll grab our T20 Torx bit, we'll unplug our light, and then we'll get those screws out and we'll pop our light out. So we're on the back side of our fender. The first thing we're going to do is unplug our connector. You'll see it has a red safety tab. We'll need to pop that out and then pull our connector out. So we'll do that first. Now sometimes these tabs can be a little stubborn, so I've got a small pry tool. I'm going to use that to pop this out. Then we can unplug our connector. Once we have that unplugged, we'll get in here with our T20 Torx bit on our ratchet and undo the 2 T20 Torx screws. So as you can see, we got our 2 screws out. Get this one all the way out. If you can help it, you want to leave the screws in the mounting slots. It's going to allow you to line up your new light easier. So for our rear marker light, you can't actually access the mounting point from inside the fender liner itself. So we're going to need to pop off the center portion here. Just pull this back enough to get to our mounting screws on our rear light. You don't have to fully remove this. So what we're going to do is grab a body panel tool and just carefully pop this off. It's held in by clips along here. Just need to find them so we can pop them off. Once you get one to go, it'll ease that tension on it. Just want to be careful of your connector. Sometimes that tends to get hung up. Now just like with our front one, we're going to unplug our rear one, pop that safety tab back, push in on our tab, unplug our light, and we'll grab our T20 Torx bit and remove the 2 screws. Then we can remove our light. Now once you have this side off, you can repeat the same process for the driver's side. So now we're going to install our new lights. We're going to reuse those factory T20 Torx screws. We're going to set this in, get our screws started, and we'll tighten those down with our T20 Torx bit, plug our light back in, and push our fender flare back into place. Get this in. You'll line up with your screws as best you can. Might even need to push those back out a little. All right, so we've got our light lined up. Just barely get our screws started. It's kind of a guide. We'll take our T20 Torx bit. Then we'll tighten our screws down. And we'll do the same thing for our other one. Once we have those tightened down, plug our light back in. Lock that tab back down. Now we're going to get our front light installed. It's easier to plug this in from out here. We'll get this locked in. We'll set this into place. Then we'll go behind and get our screws reinstalled. Now we'll get in back here, tighten our screws down. And once you have this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. That about wraps up our review and install of our Raxiom Axial Series LED fender flare marker lights with smoke lenses for your 21 to current Sierra 2500 HD. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Sierra, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.